Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best diamond core drills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Weaver Diamond Core Drill Machine. The Weaver Core Drill is a versatile tool designed for both handheld and stand use, offering flexibility for home repairs and stability for larger projects. With a powerful 2000 W motor, it can efficiently create holes from 0.8 to 6.3 inches in diameter, making it suitable for various tasks. You can choose between wet and dry cutting modes, allowing for quick drilling in dry conditions or safer, dust-free operation when using water. The included professional accessories such as a drill bit and maintenance tools further enhance your experience, ensuring you have everything you need for effective drilling. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Weaver Diamond Core Drilling Machine, Weaver Core Drill. Rig is a powerful handheld machine designed for wet drilling with a 4-inch diameter capacity. The 2-speed electric drill offers versatility for different materials. Its rust-proof shaft and one-touch water connector make drilling effortless. With 2 bubble levels for precision, adjusting the bit position is easy. This compact drill is perfect for drilling concrete, brick, and marble, meeting both professional and home needs. At number 3, we have the Weaver Diamond Core Drilling Machine with stand. The Weaver Core Drill Rig is a versatile machine designed for both wet and dry drilling. With an 8-inch drilling capacity, it offers precise drilling on various surfaces. The powerful 2500 W motor and 750 RPM speed gearbox ensure efficient drilling on different materials. Safety features like a secure clutch with overload protection enhance operator protection. Additionally, it boasts an easy-to-use design with features like a rust-proof output shaft, one-touch water pipe connector, and a stable guide rail. Ideal for drilling reinforced concrete, red brick, marble, and more, this drill rig is suitable for professional tasks like installing air conditioners, kitchen pipes, and repairing highways. At number 2, we have the Blue Rock Model 4Z1 2-speed concrete coring drill. The Blue Rock Model 4Z1 2-speed concrete coring drill is a versatile handheld tool that can be used for drilling into concrete, asphalt, cement, rebar reinforcement, brick, and stone. With its 110V motor and dual speed options of 2100 RPM and 950 RPM, this drill provides the power and flexibility needed for various drilling tasks. The portable handheld unit can also be used in an optional stand for added stability. The improved water hose assembly with metal fittings and hardware allows for wet drilling, ensuring efficient and precise drilling. The drill also features a removable shoulder rest stock, locking, trigger, on-off switch, carrying case, extra brushes, and operation manual for added convenience. It is equipped with integrated vertical and horizontal drilling fluid bubble levels, enabling users to achieve precise drilling. The industry standard 114 threaded spindle end fits Blue Rock brand wet-type diamond core bits, making it compatible with a wide range of drilling accessories. Please note that the drill bit pictured is not included. And finally, at number 1, we have the Garvitech 8 Diamond Core Drilling Machine. The Garvitech Core Drill Rig is designed for both wet and dry drilling, making it easy for you to tackle various surfaces with precision. Its robust construction features a rust-proof steel output shaft and a user-friendly water connection, ensuring stability and reducing vibrations during operation. Safety is prioritized with a secure clutch and overload protection, which helps prevent accidents if the drill bit gets stuck. With a powerful 2500 W motor and adjustable speeds, this drill rig is versatile enough for different materials, allowing you to efficiently complete your projects. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.